thing to eat when you're too lazy, but you're hungry as...
Someone watching this got it right. Is that you?
Welcome to Hero! It's again a beautiful day. Sun is shining bright in Heroland. Let's go see what this sound was all about. Instant noodles. Someone watching this, maybe you are the winner of this sound. It means you made some real nice. Every sound is a new opportunity, and sometimes there's just really easy sound. So maybe next time you're watching this and you're winning the cash, it's just way more cash. We know that most of you are not getting it right. But don't worry, there's a new sound every time it gets guessed. So the next one might be you. Maybe next time I'm saying hi, it's actually you who guessed the sound correctly. So let's keep trying. Just as in life, it's all about keeping swimming. Instant noodles, spicy sauce. My computer is now full of noodles as well.